Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And oh my god, oh, I knocked my, but anyway guys, in case you're new here guys, subscribe, comment, share and like my videos guys. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Apart from that, don't mind guys, I knock my leg on other side, don't mind please guys, but I flow with vibe to the end. And on today's videos guys, that being said, are very special. So my intro starts from here, going back home, and then from home I'm going to pick my parcel. Maybe I'll pass that way, use the tarmac road, or going to border town and then cut across. So on today's videos, it's a little bit travel with my bike, you know, going to pick my parcel. Wow guys, I was waiting this day, and it's some couple of weeks, you know, since I bought my bike. I'll let you know what's going on, you know. Guys, I know you take care of my life, you take care of my family, and you love my family a lot, 100%. And I'm not perfect enough, but I'm trying to grind outside here to chase my dream here and there. Wow. So I'm showing this place, man. It's calm, and I had on the comment section people said, hello baby, that place is so beautiful, you can take maybe a picnic. Yeah, automatically it's so beautiful, man. It's so beautiful. And I think when you go that way, it's so beautiful, man. Look, it's calm, chilly, and also like no noise inside here. I'm telling you, no noise inside here. There is a day I shoot the videos here, talking about I want to visit my new home in Africa. When I'm saying that, it's the land which I bought for my friend, and it's been a while without going there. I think it's almost 3 weeks, close to 1 month. You know, I was busy here and there, right, left, center, and then when I get a free chance, I go there. So on my last video, when I'm watching my videos, I was visiting my new home for my friends, and everything just be okay. I just pop there, you know, no worry at all. So after going that way, because on other side we have the church, so I'll take you on this side here, you know. And guys, it's by God's grace, you know. So oh my god, me, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you a million times. Through you guys, you made my dream come to reality. And I'm saying this, guys, I'm saying this in front of you guys. No single minute I want to waste my time with negative people, you know. But yesterday I said in other way, but most of the people understand me, you know. Oh, hello baby, don't take maybe the guy to the court, like maybe influencer. I'll never take her, but I need him to return my money back, 300 USD. I need him to return my money back. When I'm saying 300 USD, is the guy who make for me bricks, and her mama embracing me, bring chaos, calling mama Illuminati. So my family decide, let them return my money back. So I'm trying to complain on this. When it's tough, I wanna take him to court and pay me money. Why not? Because I'm just working so hard to get $300, paying him every month. So another way, guys, I'm not complaining, you know. And of which on today's videos, Murabibi, of which on today's videos, guys, I was greeting somebody passing there. Murabibi, just like, how are you, bro? So on today's videos, I don't want to talk like maybe, you know, that guy here and there, but the day is coming, you know. Guys, $300 is not an easy thing. I can use that money to buy cement. I can use that money to add the money that maybe I'm trying to hustling here and there, to add and buy blocks. 300 money in our village here, it's a lot of money, you know. Right now I'm going to build my mom's dream house, and then me, I will never ignore my money. No matter what, I will never ignore my money. $300, that is 30,000 that I pay him. Maybe me, I don't know. Maybe he make a plan with her mother. Me, I don't know. But I keep flow with vibe. I keep flow with vibe. I keep flow with vibe. Wow. Oh man, my baby just right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. So I wanna give you brief tour inside here by saying, guys, thank you so much. My God bless you. And wow, I don't know, guys, whether this place has no sun, but you heard my voice, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I remember when I'm going this way, there's enough lights. You can see, guys, when I'm saying my baby, it's just right here, guys. Imagine, through your support, guys, I get a new bike right there. And that's all my struggle, guys. You know, when I get money, I told you guys, this month I do this, this month I do this, and it's by God's grace. And wherever you are, may God bless you abundant. I can't take things for granted. I want to say thank you a million times, because outside there I have solid subscriber, you know, in my country, outside of the country, supporting me here and there, and it's by God's grace. Let me show you my, maybe in case you're here and you don't know, this is what I'm calling my baby. Wow. Oh man, it's too dirty. I want to take them to the car wash after this moment. Before I start my journey, I want to take them to the car wash, but it's not too much dirty. At least, guys, I wash them. 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 Oh damn! And it's one HLX 125cc TVS. I love blue. If maybe in future God bless me, also my car will be in blue in color. Blue in color. Blue, all white. Blue and white. That's my, maybe in future my car will be blue or white. Those two colors, I'll see. Guys, imagine a day like this. I just pop inside of this beautiful forest to show you how things go. And me, I love the green nature. Apart from this, maybe when I complete to build my mom's dream house, and then I'll start maybe landscaping, I'll make our compound to be full of green, because I love the views, fresh air from this angle, right, left, center, everything's super amazing. And guys, you're the one who make my life to be shine outside here, you know. And let me tell you one thing, guys, life in our village here is not easy. You know, you're supposed to work so hard. A day like this, I'm going harder through on my dreams. And man, I can't wait to see my mom's dream house come in good shape, you know. So probably, yeah, guys, going deep, we have the church also down here. So today I'm shooting this video on Sunday, and I hope, guys, you are doing good, you are doing well wherever you are, and you mean the world to me. I appreciate on that. Imagine, guys, from a handman to build a nice toilet in my village, from a handman to renovate my house, from a handman, one of our subscribers made it possible. We get 5,000 liters water tank. Imagine, guys, from a handman, I'm chasing my dream. I want to build my mom's dream house, you know. And my target that I make, guys, let me analyze this. On June, I want to start the construction. Be aware, guys, supporting me as you can, guys, by watching my videos every day. And that's the best way I can move on. I'm telling you, guys, in the month of June this year, I'm going to start to build my mom's dream house. So I'm trying to grind so hard because right now I have stones on the ground. So I'm going to grind so hard to achieve my goal to have 2,000 blocks. I want to start from there. When maybe the blocks are missing, maybe you start adding as you keep building, you know. When I'm saying, oh, let me collect material and then to be enough on the ground, maybe guys, maybe. But let's see, guys, let's see. In case you're new here, when I'm saying blocks, when I reach home, I'll show you what I mean. So probably, guys, come along with me. So let me go and pick my baby. Pick my baby. Imagine inside here people graze, yeah, but automatically inside here it's a clean forest and it's a man-made forest. And always as I speak, people advise me, hello baby, it's a nice place for picnic here and there, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's green, it's super clean, you know, for the picnic. Maybe if you allowed me on the comment section, one day I'll do a picnic. One day, if you mind to do a picnic, one day I'll do a picnic for sure and for real. I'll do a picnic. If you love my videos to do a picnic, comment on the comment section, because I had one of our subscribers said, you know, this is the key, guys. Showing you the key of my motorbike to the world. Guys, you're the one who made my dream come to reality, you know. Imagine, guys, from a handman at Dave Jr.'s construction to have the motorbike. And it's not my first motorbike. I have my first motorbike, which is Honda, and I'm trying to get the money to renovate it, to put side mirror, to put battery, running wiring, to do starter, to change oil, and then give somebody struggle with it outside here. So to bring maybe a day $3, you know, per day. So when I get $60, I will renovate my first motorbike. This is my second baby. You know, I said what, no matter what, let me have this bike, and my first bike could be maybe when I renovate it, I could maybe bring money every day, and then my mama use that money maybe to make some small shopping here and there, buying sardines, fish, maybe some veggies here and there, you know. But all in all, guys, get in like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, guys. Here it shows you this is a meter box. Oh, and here it shows you some gears and also neutron. And right now the fuel is empty. When it's full, it's reach here full. When it's a half tank, it's reach here, and it's 5 gears. Wow. Here I can charge my phone while I'm riding, you know, right here. You see? What a beautiful day, guys. Let's go. It's my bike. Wema. Yeah. Uma sontana canto. Ngani chamolo kikiburukulise. Sasa como mantana canto. I was speaking with one of my friend other side. So guys, I'm heading home right now. Wema. Nagote. Let's go, guys. I love that view, man. Look, Whoa! I'm on my motorbike, guys, heading home. So after that, I'm going to pick my luggage, guys. You know, all the way from Kisi to my village. Whew. And also for my premiere again, today you get the premiere, guys. It's been a while, you know. Oh, that's a small shed right there. Heading this way. Okay, guys. Me, I love the green nature. Honestly, guys, because the cool place, calm, you know. Okay. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. 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 Thank you, everybody, by supporting me. Wow. My God bless you. And also, guys, thank you so much by being supporting the junior. Thank you so much. My God bless you abundantly, guys. I'm almost with the tarmac road. The tarmac road. I'm thinking to go this side, but I'm going to pick my luggage. But probably I'll see. Hey! So this is Nyabuhanse village to the world. I'm trying to show you. Let's move. That's a rental house. Oh my God, this is the other side. Fired for burning bricks. Hey, cow are grazing right here. Oh my God. That's a church right there. Let's move. Guys, I'm heading home. I'm going to have my breakfast, and then after from that I came to wash my baby and then start my journey going home. That's a rental house with a cheaper price. Wow. Also, there's a rental house. Some people in our village invest in terms of building house, rental house, here and there. Wow. So that's the kind of the investment that we have. What about Hello Baby? There's a school right now. Most of the African schools have been closed as we speak here. Keep moving on. There's a shop right there. Wow. There's a cow chilling there. A nice perimeter wall gate. Wow. Look at the gates. Keep going. Heading home, guys. Imagine. I'm driving at my own pace, Hey, let me official to the world. Wow. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take my breakfast, and then after that, I came to wash my baby, and then wow. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Let's see what my mom have been prepared for me. I have no idea at all, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I hope, guys, you're ready for this luggage. A luggage is a luggage. When it's a small or a big luggage is a luggage. I'll show you guys. Nothing to be black here. We flow the vibe to the end. And subscribe to my channel, guys. And the best way you can support Hello Baby Fish. Alright, what is that, guys? Trees have been cut down, selling and everything. Wow. So guys, I reach home, and I want to show for the new subscriber. When I'm saying vlogs, I use your term, try to mean for, guys. Anyway, guys, welcome back home. Hello Baby here. So I just pull up with my motorbike. So let me show people. When I'm saying this, I'm trying to defend my money, so my money to be back, and then I use that money to add maybe a small amount that I have to buy blocks. By that money that I'm defending for, I'll use for buying cement or sand or balance stones or steel bar. I have a lot of things to do, and I'll never forget my money, because even right now, guys, I met that guy, and me, like, I have no issues with my people in my village here. I'm trying to mind my own thing. So guys, these blocks, I know people in my village here are full of jealous because they don't believe what I'm doing. But this is what I'm trying to mean, and this is 700. And when I'll have 2,000, I'll start uh, I'll start building my mom's house. No matter what, guys, I'm try as I can, guys. You know, imagine this material will never go bad. Also, we have some stones on the other side, right there, guys. Maybe let me go closer. You know, me, I'm showing you these things every day. But the reason why being I show people every day is when maybe I get a new member on my channel, they know what I'm doing. You know, this is what I'm struggling for. 6 good months. 6 good months. You know, but I didn't bought at once at a time. It's step by step, and then like little, you know. Wow, guys, thank you so much. Wow, also have a cow here. Okay, guys, look, this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have right here. So guys, right there, that's my uncle's project. I'm trying to push that project. You know, when it reach at this place, it's by God's grace. Wow, guys. I hope you are ready for this, and I'm going inside my house to have my breakfast, and then after that I'll take it to neighbors. Oh, this place is more clear because the sky is more clear, you know. And I'm shooting these videos very early in the morning here, and when maybe it's noon time, you wanna see the sky, clouds, but right now you didn't see. Well, guys, so let's go and see maybe something to eat, and then from that I wanna take you to Nyabohan's washing my baby. You know, it's totally dirty. Look, because we have poor roads here, and we have maybe it's raining time. Oh, we have birds here, man. Imagine, guys, how I love green net. We have birds here. Oh, showing our birds to the world. And the crazy thing about these birds, come and camp here. And then they keep quiet. Imagine, guys, imagine, through you guys, look what I have in my village here. This is what I'm deserved to have. This is what I'm dreaming to have. Look, and it's a super clean toilet. And most of the people advise me, hello baby, you have most beautiful toilet in our village. It's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. I can't complain at all. Look, pure tiles. And I remember by the time I'm going to say, oh hello baby, like, oh, I'm going to put tiles like outside here, right here. Haters try to, hello baby, no, paint, do this and this, and I know what I'm doing, guys. Look how I create the beauty of this place. Look, super clear, guys. Okay, super clear. And also, guys, we have the kitchen garden here. My brother tried to prepare it step by step. This is our small kitchen, and as soon I'm going to plant here. So, like, I love to plant kales, guys, you know. Also have the pumpkin, and on the other side I'll plant onions. But from here up to other side, kales, pure kales. So guys, stay tuned. I'm taking you inside the house, and I'm going to have my short. Like me, I love to eat strong breakfast and then forget the lunchtime, and also we'll meet supper time. It's better to eat strong breakfast and then I forget lunchtime. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet inside my house. Wow. Oh guys, that's how my house looks like. There's TV, we have couches, we have mat. Also, this is what I have right now here. Yams. I don't know, or yeah, I think it's yam. And also this is my tea right now here on jug. Wow guys, this is what my mama prepare for me. You know, there's tea, milk tea. Yeah, 1 cup is enough for me. So guys, that being said, at least I want to take heavy breakfast and then I forget lunch here and there. And guys, thank you so much by supporting me. Imagine a day like this, we put food on table. We also have a nice house. Look, glass table. Also we have mats down here. Wow. I'm sitting comfortable like choro. Man, this far it's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. So let me eat the food and then we keep moving from here. Okay guys, sometime we need to pray for the food first. Wow. May I have prayed silent, guys. Oh my God. Telling you, like, this is organic food that we have here. Look. This is yam, guys. Super organic. Guys, as I eat my food, please follow the vibe to the end, and we shall meet while I'm heading to Nyabuhansa, guys. Washing my baby. Let's go. Right now I'm heading to Nyabuhansa, guys. So I'm going to buy kales and also onions for our lunch. And then from that I'll take my bike to the car wash, and then from car wash to go and pick my luggage. Let's go. One more at a time. Heading to the Nyabuhansa for our small shopping time. Super clear. This is the road that we have in Africa here, guys. You know? And guys, I don't want to film too much right now on this road because I'm heading to Nebohans and then buying some stuff. But as soon, guys, I'm going to plant the kales. I'm telling you guys, you know, this issue of going Nebohans and coming back, oh my god, I'm trying to avoid it. Okay, so guys, I'm just over here buying kales for our lunch. No, you need to go.
Get 20.
Maseganirete kitungu. Roiko kibuza 10.
Roiko kibu.
Za 10. Wewe ndio nitakupa. Wewe tata kwa mimi nitonyiri chimbira na msukuma ni 20.
Ana kudai 50 yangu jani laini.
Nkene mukire ma.
Era chirinye ko nyachira kemu ko kamoto mana wonka no mukiri chikaba 50 bitoke beshi.
Nda correct.
Moto
na nkwe.
Iko yake?
Ongene kisiko ke 10.
Tatu 20. Wasega nata kifuko cha 10.
Dasa hiyo 10 mtapatiana ile kwa cube. Na maana vone yeye unungiri.
Yes, roiko cubes.
Zile za 10.
Yeah.
Okay, my sis. Zineka humu na kitungo. Neka humu. Majini gani sukuma tukia kunyera man.
Kuma nembe mimi hokero hata.
Kama temo ko ngwansi kitungo. Yeye una kitungo kubwa pale. Nako. Mama wale ko ngi kitungo rekenene goranga.
Hizi ni 20 likutore.
20 gani? Umeka kitungo. Ke wanga kama mama umukira yake kana.
Hata hiri hitafari mbe. Kore kitungo macho mate ketangura breke ba.
Guys, I'm back home with kales right now here. 1 onions and also some ingredients. And this is the part of our lunchtime, guys. Wow. And then after that, I'm going to wash my bike. As I speak right now here, that's my target. Going to wash my bike, and then after that, I'm starting my journey to the next town. Going to other side, going to pick my luggage, guys. I'm telling you. So look, it's raining last night. This is the real life, village life here. Okay, welcome home. Boom. Okay. Wow, we wanna cook right now. Hey Bruno, you good? That's my dog right there. Okay, guys. Well, guys, so right now I'm going to wash my baby in border town, you know. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. To make my Japan machine to be clean. Oh my god. That's a shop right there. Okay. I'm fully outside, heading to border town, making some cleanness of my motorbike. Wow, nothing to be hide, guys. I will show you. Alright, guys, I'll go to Nebohans. What do you think about? Maybe, guys. I'm not sure about. let's go. This is a municipal council here where they throw some rubbish. We have a sharp corner here. It's smelling so bad. I'm almost, guys, to meet the tarmac road. Bora squeezar, moço! Come! Wow! Heading to Border Town. Wow! That's my Roman Catholic Church on the other side. Keep moving on. Whoa! Okay. Outside, guys. Walking beside here. Wow. Super amazing. Super calm. Right now it's a train. Right, straight, now. Okay. One at a time. One at a time. You know. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. One at a time. Heading straight. No worry about this. This is a truck right there. Keep moving on. We keep moving. This is Border Town for you. Right now. Let's go. Border Town for you. In case you're new here, this is what we're calling Border Town. Border Town. Crazy. Whoa. Wow. Let's go. People are outside. That's police post right now there. Get moving on. Wow. People are coming from church, going back home. Today's a super day. Super day. Okay. I want to wash my bike right now, guys. As I speak here. That's Equity and the Cooperative Bank. Share the same building. This is a car wash right now. Oh. Okay, guys. So I'll show you the final result. Alright, guys, I'm back home after from Border Town. So right now my baby just clean, super clean, man. You know, and Wow, I'm trying to maintain my baby to remain clean. Wow. Super clean. You know, I can't complain at all, at all, at all. Wow. You know, there's private jets. Okay, 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 okay. I got you guys. I get you. Wow. Wow. At the same time, birds are singing there, you know. Wow. Me, I'm so grateful, guys. What I have, I'm so grateful. My people, I'm so grateful. Man. 100%. Rather than anything, for now, guys, I'm so grateful. So we shall meet on the next videos, heading to pick my luggage all the way from Kisii, and then maybe I'll pass to border town or passing the Buhansi to go that way. I will see which road is better, because yeah, you people, you try to say, hello baby, take care of you, maybe blah blah blah. I don't want to mention here, but you see what I'm going to pick for, guys. Oh guys, right here,
Felistas. Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and I have a channel, go and search Felistas. Yeah.
Okay, so far so good. How many subscribers did you have?
421.
421. I think I watched your video. You have right now 422. And guys, I'm trying to mentor her, so soon you wanna celebrate a half of 1,000 subscriber.
Yeah.
Soon. So today we are heading to the next town.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick my luggage. It's a small luggage, and maybe get into the motorbike, and then boom. Okay. Oh yeah. Iko poa. Njoo nachunga hii kamera isipasuke. Haya, sisi tunaenda huko. So guys, you know, my camera almost fall down, but I still don't mind on that. Are you ready for this journey?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay guys. Wow. Oh my god. Boom. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, that's the cow right here, and also our journey begins. That's the most popular, richest guy right here that we have in border town. We appreciate. Yeah, it's a good thing to have most richest people. Wow. But the crazy thing about this road, it has bumps. See? That's the reason why I don't like to drive too much on this road. Wow. Slowly guys, no pressure. Watch this video till the end. Leave us a comment, subscribe, and be ready guys. What we are going to do. Wow. Felistas, she has no idea what is going on. Wow. Okay. People are coming from church. They maneuver around. Look, that perimeter was very nice. That house, oh man. Ooh. Super clean. It tells you people outside here invest in terms of clothing. You can turn on the other side. And I think there's a day we pass here, you know. Wow guys. I don't want to complicate issues, lugging issue, la la la, no, no, no. I'm heading to pick my luggage all the way from Kisii, and right now I'm heading to behind town. I'll show you. We have another town, you know. Wow. Guys, is that not what we used for? Oh, beautiful flowers, man. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Done. As to 9. Wow. Guys, it's a long journey by itself. Okay. On this side here we have the way bridge. Right here, Saki Boy Way Bridge. Oh, that's a church right there. And the rain is coming, but we keep rushing in a good way at our own pace. Maneuver by using motorbike. I also have friends right here. I'm telling you, new restaurant. Wow. We're passing at the you know. But the good thing which things promote those people who are living here is this tarmac road. Riding of the bicycle. Oh my god. That's an MCA office. I'm telling you, right there. Wow. Look at the side. Super green. It tells you people are farmer here, 100%. Wow, the car grazing right there. Whoa. Wow. down here we have the most beautiful river. Look, that's river. Look. That's how I was saying. Wow. We keep moving, and when we're coming back, guys, somehow slanting road. The motorbike is running crazy, but I control it. Oh, heading to Hunter Town. It's a small town that we have here, and most of the mining economic take place. Yeah, I'm telling you. Where we are heading to, most mining economic take place. People mining, like a home like this. I was explored there off camera one day. I'm telling you. Wow. Also, that's our school, private school, Prime Sun. Hey, risk. That's a private school, a personal school for somebody else. People on motorbike, no. I need to twist my bike. It's small. I'm telling you, we're heading to the most interior, and then we left the village a little bit, and then boom, boom. The car is passing here. Selling of sugar cane. Wow. kuja anguke. This is the interior part of the village. Right here. Guys, right now we are in Kihanta town. As I speak right now here, guys, the most cleanest town, a small town. There's a petrol station there. Oh man, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's Hotel Primara right there. I'm telling you. Excavator. Wow. Wow, guys, look at another one closer. Hey, Kehanja for you guys. I'm telling you, it's a small town, but mining activities take place. You know, this KMTC Training College right now here, Korea main campus, that one here. Okay. So guys, we're going to pick the luggage. Be ready. Guys, it's raining time here, and I'm just waiting that guy to just pull up, and the luggage which I came to pick here all the way from Kisi is the helmet, 2 of them, and you will see them later, maybe on my tomorrow's videos probably. So right now it's raining, guys. You can see, you can tell, guys. Look, so right now I'm getting shade here. Also Felicitas is just right there. Wow. So by on tomorrow's videos you'll see that luggage also with my mama, and also unless I'll show you on thumbnail, guys. So tomorrow we'll see, guys, on that videos. Go and check Felicitas, subscribe to his channel, and also go and check David Jr. Subscribe to his channel, guys. I really appreciate. Wow, guys, bye.